This sale is for a Bobcat 843 skid steer. There are 1,447 hours of operation on this earth mover, and it's powered by a 4-cylinder Isuzu diesel motor. There are no attachments included in this sale, however the key is included. Please see our website for further details. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.